actually had those three names in my list from Super Rugby: Timothy Tavatava Nawai, Chonanareki, and Jacob Ratumai Tavuki Nipkin. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens, and all the best with your negotiations. Hopefully, New Zealand Rugby comes forward and maybe agrees that they are not playing for the All Blacks if they are not chosen, and gives that opportunity to Fiji. We'll be looking out for that, and maybe also asking some questions of them. Who else are you looking at?
Look, I think that's probably, at the moment, that'll be the three. You know, I've spoken to Pita Gus. He becomes available. His All Blacks, post-All Black career finishes on July 6th. He's actually coming out to Fiji to get married, so congratulations to Pita Gus. He's coming to Fiji to get married to his beautiful bride, and so we'll chat with him. But he's really happy to.
He wants to play for Fiji.
Yeah. I sat down with him, and he's been playing well at Clermont. I sat down with him. I went over there earlier in the year. He's excited for it. I asked if it was a potential for him to be able to come and have a look at us. He's getting married on the 5th of July. We're back here on the 7th of July. Would he want to come into camp, you know? Thinking, well, he's on his honeymoon, you know. Oh no, the wife's fine, she'll support me, I'll come in. So that type of, you know, attitude is awesome. So